Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. We'll follow up on that. American Flyer 561 arrived yesterday, I believe. Anyway, I pulled the motor out of it. I wanted to learn how to work on these things. So it's actually straightforward. A couple of screws in the front. You have to drop the push rods, of course. And there's lots of push rods. As you see, a lot of bright work on this locomotive. Anyway, just take out 2 screws in the front. The motor slides forward and then up and out of the shell. And the motor and the shell are actually exceptionally heavy. Each one is exceptionally heavy. It's surprising. Now, the front 2 wheels are not powered except by the push rods. And the motor is actually mounted at an angle, and it uses worm gears to transfer the motion to the wheels. So it's the same principle as a powered truck, exactly. You cannot turn the wheels and turn the motor. It's the gearing just won't allow it. Anyway, it's much different than a Marx or a Lionel locomotive. The design is completely different. So in any case, I pulled off the front bezel. I took out the front weight and then put the bezel back on. There's actually a lead weight that inserts about that far. Actually quite heavy. So anyway, the switch on the top is the E-unit lockout. I've got it set to forward only. I've got, I think, 12 Marx tin litho cars. So I just wanted to do a quick video now this is reassembled. Bring this up to power. As you see, it actually runs quite well. This is 1940 approximately. So it's pulling 12 tin litho cars with no problem at all. And 2 of them, of course, are lighted. As you see, it runs well. So what I'm going to do with it, I have absolutely no idea. I don't collect American Flyer. Anyway, they are the reason I don't, of course, is the price. For the price of one of these, you can buy 4 Marx locomotives, usually. But I just wanted to do a quick video after I reassembled it. I had to take it apart so I could learn how. Relatively straightforward, like I said. And like I said, the parts were surprisingly heavy. The motor by itself weighs as much as a Marx locomotive. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. I got it reassembled, and now that it's running, what am I going to do with it? I have absolutely no idea at all. It runs well, but not planning on getting any more of them. Like I said, for the price of one of these, you can usually buy 4 Marx locomotives. But it's new. It's a locomotive I've never worked on before, so I was really looking forward to taking it apart. And again, it's really straightforward. You just drop off the push rods. There's 2 screws in the front. Remove those. The motor slides forward, up and out of the shell. And there's a lead weight directly behind this bezel. And I removed that weight and put the bezel back on just to lighten it up a bit. Anyway, it's up and running with no problems at all, as you see. I've got the E-unit locked to forward only right now. As you see, it's running perfectly. There's no problem with this at all. It's a big, heavy locomotive, that's for sure. Nothing like a Marx or a Lionel. Completely different concept in how it's powered. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.